Valentine's stuff. Look at this. You see the teddy bear? Hey y'all, welcome to our channel, Chris and Jazz. And if you came back, I love you. Y'all, I'm not gonna play around. I'm just gonna get right into this video because who got time for editing? Who got time for an intro? Not me. Let's just jump into it. As you can see, my life is lifing as a mom. Y'all, shopping with a toddler is not for the weak. If I have any mothers that follow our channel, please comment down below some mom hacks for shopping, because how do y'all do it? Whew, this is not it, okay? But hey, I'm gonna get it done because I'm a mother.
Should have got some more bread.
Bread. So this is everything that we got from the grocery store. Some of the stuff I already put up because it can't be out long. But y'all hang around and watch me put this stuff up. But first, let me show you everything. This is just a little glimpse of mostly everything that I got. Some of the stuff I hate they didn't have. I guess, we still catching up, due to the snowstorm. So, hey, let's put this stuff up and I'm going to stop talking. That's fine for you. I do that 3 more times and can I testify for you? I told her like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just. Okay, y'all. Thanks for watching this video. I'm going to end it right here. As you can see, that was a lot, and that's not even half of everything that I had to already put up. So I'm a mom, y'all. It's hard. It is so hard grocery shopping with a toddler and like carrying this stuff. Like, it's a lot. Then I have to eat me something. I have to eat me anything. But I hope y'all enjoyed our grocery haul. I plan on doing more. Please comment, like, share, and watch this full video, because I'm working hard, y'all, and I need to know where my subscribers. I want to see y'all. I want to get to know y'all. But I'm going to end this video right here because I'm hungry. But see you in the next video. Bye.